Let's be real. The secret to success in school these days isn't just about studying harder. It's all about studying smarter. So today, we're going to explore how you can use artificial intelligence to get a serious edge.
While most students are still kind of drowning in textbooks, stuck using the same old methods, there's a smaller group that's already leveraging AI. And they're cutting their workload in half and completely changing the game.
So in this explainer, we are breaking down the top 5 AI tools that are going to help you do exactly that. We're talking everything from writing research papers to just mastering complex math in seconds.
First up, let's talk about research. This is all about finding facts, not fiction, and making sure your work is built on a solid foundation. Okay, so let's talk about a tool called Perplexity AI. Just think of it as Google search on steroids. Now, unlike some AIs that might, hallucinate, which basically means they just make stuff up, Perplexity is different. It searches the live web, and here's the crucial part. It gives you cited sources for every single claim. This is perfect for finding academic papers and verifying facts for your assignments without that constant fear of using bad info. All right, moving on to tool number 2, which solves a problem every single student has. Taking notes during a lecture. Forget trying to frantically type down every single word the professor says. There are these amazing tools like Otter.ai or Fireflies. You just record your class, and they give you a transcript in real time. But wait, that's not even the best part. The real magic is that they then generate an AI summary of the entire lecture, automatically pulling out the important stuff like key dates, formulas, you name it. And the biggest benefit here? Your lecture notes are no longer just static words on a page. They become a completely searchable database. You can literally find any topic that was mentioned in seconds. It's a total game changer. On to number 3, the AI writing companion. We have all been there, right? Staring at that blank page, absolutely dreading that 2,000-word essay. Well, these tools can make that whole process almost effortless. Now, this combination is where things get really interesting. See, Grammarly has gone way beyond just checking your spelling. It actually helps you nail your tone and flow. But then you combine that with a tool like Quillbot, which has some serious paraphrasing power. You can take really complex sentences and rewrite them to be clearer and sound more academic, all while making sure your work stays original. Okay, tool number 4 is for all my STEM students out there. This one is designed to help you tackle those moments where you get completely, hopelessly stuck on a tough math or science problem. So what happens when you hit a wall? You're staring at a calculus problem and you have no idea what to do next. You could spend hours trying to figure it out, or you could just use AI. And this is where PhotoMath comes in. It's so simple. You just scan the equation with your phone and boom, it gives you a full step-by-step breakdown of how to solve it. The key here is that it doesn't just give you the answer, it actually teaches you the logic behind it so you can solve the next one on your own. And hey, for even more complex science or some heavy-duty data analysis, the gold standard is definitely Wolfram Alpha. It's an unbelievably powerful tool for anyone working at a higher level in those fields. And finally, we've arrived at our 5th category, the personalized AI tutor. This is literally like having a teaching assistant on call 24/7, ready to help you with pretty much any subject. Tools like Conmigo or MindGrasp are just incredible. You can feed them any PDF or even a YouTube video, and they'll instantly turn it into a practice quiz or a set of flashcards for you to study. But honestly, this may be their most powerful feature. If you don't get a concept, you can literally just ask the AI, explain it to me like I'm 5, and it will keep breaking it down in simpler and simpler ways until you've completely mastered the topic.
So there you have it. You see, these tools aren't just clever gadgets. They really represent a huge shift in how we learn. The future of education is already here, and it's being powered by AI.
So, the big question is, which one of these tools are you going to try first to level up your study game? Because as this tech gets more and more integrated into our lives, it's not a question of if we should use it, but how we can use it to completely redefine what it means to learn.